Good afternoon everybody, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Gear S3 Frontier Edition. This is going to be an upgrade from my Samsung Gear S2 that I've had probably about a year now. I got that when I got my Galaxy S8, and I've used it with my Galaxy S8, my OnePlus 5, and the two Note 8s I've had, as well as my iPhone from time to time. Just peeling this off, that is from the order pickup I did at Best Buy right there. Going to put that off to the side. Go ahead and peel that off. There is some tape on here. We are going to peel off. I am selling my Gear S2 on eBay just to offset the cost of the S3. But I use this watch. Ooh, the presentation of this one is a lot nicer than the S2 that was just in the bottom of the box there. Extra watch bands in there. But this one is a nice watch. Got a little protector on the side there. Shows you that you can turn the bezel there for, navigation and stuff like that. You got your back button, your power and home button, which is the same way the S2 worked. The bezel you could spin and do stuff like that. Like I said, this is the Frontier, so it is the gray with the rubber band. It's not the silver with the leather band, but that is pretty nice. It's got some good weight to it. Feels like a good quality watch. And without the screen on, I mean, you can't really tell that it's not a normal watch, other than it doesn't have a face all the time. That's the really only big difference right there. And then right here we have the wireless charger. It looks the same as the one that comes with the S2, but it's a little bit taller to support the back of it. So there's that. Down in the bottom of the box here we have just a piece of plastic. Have the USB cable. It is micro USB. It's not USB-C or anything like that. This is the small band right here. That one comes in the box, not pre-attached. I'll probably end up using that one. That's what I used on my S2. And here we have the Samsung wall charger to plug the cable into. It came in this nice baggie. I don't know why. It was just, like in the pouch, kind of weird. And then we have the quick start guide, which we're going to put right back in the box. So I'm going to get this all charged up, powered up, set it up, and then I'll make a review video showing the features and stuff like that. If I still have the S2, if I haven't sold it yet, I will do a comparison between the two. But that is what you get with the Gear S3 Frontier from Samsung. Looking forward to trying that one out. This has been Colin with Techout. If you're enjoying my Samsung coverage and videos, I don't know why I said coverage like it's some big new event, but if you're enjoying my Samsung videos, my Android videos, my Note 8 videos, give that sub button a good click, and give that thumbs up button a click as well. As always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.